general elections, especially in this region of ours?
No, we didn't. Like what? Like what challenges? I told you the elections were successful. Elections were successful. Those who wanted success, of course, they got that success. As long as you plan and you move within that plan, you always get the success. But the moment you go beyond outside the guidelines, you get challenges. It's like when the police tells you that move in a car, but drive responsibly. Then when you go into a car and drive irresponsibly, what happens to you? They say, don't drive at a speed which is not required at that particular time. Then you should not drive when it is not required. So during this period of election, which was known that election will take place, we prepared for it. It's like a woman having pregnancy. She knows that it will be for 9 months. After 9 months, you get the child out of the womb. So we had prepared for all of this. And when time came, because those who were prepared, readily prepared, they went through it smoothly, and it was smoothly done, and it was completed. So those small challenges probably for certain people who do not follow the guidelines, but otherwise the whole thing was done perfectly well.
Our dear followers who have been following us here at NRM Media Secretariat channel, my name is Brian Mgenyi. I have been hosting Brigadier Gen.Deus Sande, Major Gen.Deus Sande. He has been trying to give us a recap of the 2026 general elections and how they enforced security in different areas to ensure that there is stability in the country. And as per Masaka, 33% was scored for the president's performance, and he strongly believed that the peace that was maintained during the elections period could as well be maintained in the eves of this period when the country is out of the elections. He has tried his level best to guide the country here and there and this region, and probably he has talked a lot. His time being here for this interview has been very receptive. He's a very, 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 very down-to-earth man, despite his working repertoire. But we strongly believe that whatever was done during the period of the election, he has summarized it all. So on behalf of the NRM Media Secretariat team, Brian Mgenyi is my name, and I sign out. I want to thank Mr. George Ngabili, who has been behind the camera, and of course Madam Anena, who is in charge of the communication, who has given us ample time to ensure that this comes as a very graceful interview for you people, to ensure that you observe whatever has been taking place, especially in the realms of the security. So, Major, unless there is anything that you wanted to add in, but I believe that all is said.